2013 Audi Q5 Premium Plus 2.0T for sale in Littleton, Colorado, 80125. This beautiful 2013 Audi Q5 has black exterior with black interior and wood paneling inlay. It has 2.0 turbo, which means better gas mileage with no compromise of power. It rocks at altitude, Colorado. Mileage is low at 16,500. It is equipped with a clear bra, all-weather mats and car and trunk, luggage rack all included. The Audi Certified Prone warranty is part of this purchase, which gives coverage until 2019. Sirius navigation is available for 3 more years. All scheduled maintenance, always garage, excellent condition, fully loaded with all the goodies, looks and drives great, must see, no accidents, non-smoker, 1 owner, satellite radio, seats like new, still under factory warranty, well maintained. Welcome to Select Vehicle Marketing. Visit us anytime at http://www.selectvehiclemarketing.com, the nation's premier marketplace of for sale by owner, private party listings of cars, trucks, RVs, boats, motorcycles, airplanes and all types of motorsports and heavy equipment. Select Vehicle Marketing is the nation's premier private party, for sale by owner advertising agency. Select Vehicle Marketing prides itself on its commitment to meet and exceed our clients' expectations. Select Vehicle Marketing has marketing professionals who are experienced with every aspect of internet marketing and advertising. So if you are asking yourself, how do I sell my car online, or how do I sell my RV online? Contact Select Vehicle Marketing. Select Vehicle Marketing also offers assistance with anything and everything you could possibly need while selling your car, truck, RV, boat, motorcycle, airplane and all types of motorsport and heavy equipment, including financing, shipping, warranties and more. Choose from one or our whole suite of digital advertising products. Call a marketing specialist now at Select Vehicle Marketing so we can help you sell it fast. While Select Vehicle Marketing makes every reasonable effort to ensure the accuracy of this information, Select Vehicle Marketing is not responsible for any errors or omissions in the listing descriptions or on these pages. Please verify any information with the owner. Select Vehicle Marketing will provide owner contact information to all legitimate inquiries.